welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, namuhla sinosiphola on the building. Okay, i-students asesiyuthi-ke lesinginaso esimeje nge-teaching beard Bachelor of Education. Okay, i-title yanamhla imayelana ne-long distance relationship. Okay, ngizombuza ama-question mayelana nayo-ke i-long distance relationship ukuthi how long, isikhathi esingakanani ejula nomuntu wakhe, umthemba kangakanani, bathandana kangakanani. I can't wait-ke, cela nihlale nathi nilalele simuzwe ukuthi izinto zakhe zihamba kanjani, nomuntu wakhe umthemba kanjani. Okay, i-question yokuqala ithi, ninesikhathi esingakanani nijola nalo muntu?
Hi everyone. Mina nomuntu wami around September we are going to approach 1 year. So for now we have it's months, but around September we will be approaching a 1 year anniversary.
Sekuyisikhathi esingakanani ujola naye? How long have you been dating your partner?
We started dating last year around November, and yes, that was around November. I was in university and she was at high school doing her matric.
Umthemba kanjani? I-partner kangakanani? Umthemba kangakanani? Ngoba phela it's been long since nijola.
She has umuntu wami ngiyamthemba but sometimes I feel like when I'm far away from her, I have some insecurities because I cannot see her what she's doing, but up to so far I can say I trust her 90% because we can talk every day. The communication, it's very good. So that's the thing that makes me to trust her, because our communication is very, very good.
Most you don't see your partner, communication may be right, but okubuhlungu ukuthi awumboni. Umthemba kangakanani ukuthi uyiphatha kahle la ekhona?
Umuntu wami nje, sometimes I can go to her place without telling her and I will find her there indoors. Like she told me that she's an indoor girl. So sometimes ngimshaya ngama-surprise. I just play ABC just to see that she's the one meant for me, or maybe okanye she's doing some other things that are not okay.
Okay, i-partner yakho uyibonisa kanjani i-romance since niku-long distance relationship?
She has
Nomenzani omunye umntwana because abe-happy?
umuntu wami nje, like I said, yabona, we don't get to see each other on a daily basis because of our distance. But if I have something, I can just buy her, the nice things, abo chocolates,
Ooh.
Zimba
Mm.
and flowers, and then I bring them to her just to to make her feel special and feel that she's loved.
I do like it.
Whatever the little that I have, she knows if I don't have anything, she knows if I have something, I do for her. So those small things, I guess they count a lot. Even if I'm not working, I'm still a student, but I can meet her halfway.
Nice. How often do you guys see each other? Nibonana nini?
I would say in a month, once or twice. In a month.
Shuthi aniqhelelene kakhulu according to distance.
Like this distance, sometimes I have doubts. I feel like giving up, but then something will just come to my mind reminding me that why did I meet her in the first place? The reason that made me to be with her, I will remember that I loved her so much. So the distance, I guess, I should just be patient as she's going to be studying here by next year. So I guess everything will be fine. I just
Mhm.
have to be patient because love is patience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hardest part about doing long distance. Kungenzima ukuyenza lento ye-long distance relationship.
Ish, the hardest part about the relationship
Mm.
is that sometimes like you're out with your friends and they're with their partners
Mm.
and you start feeling lonely like I wish my partner would be here, and then you will have that you know doubt doubtful thoughts to say, "Ish, I need to get someone around here whom when I need I know she's gonna be here around." But then I remember that that's not love. True love, you know you be patient for it. So I guess the hardest thing is that even when like I miss it a lot, there's nothing I can do about it. I'll just have to accept it.
Okay. Do you believe to fairy tale love stories?
Yeah,
Because usanda
100%.
so romantic. Babukeli, usanda
Uh,
so romantic lo muntu lo.
well,
Yo.
I would say yeah, I do believe in true love so much. I believe that it exists,
Mm.
and I wanna be the first person to explore, to experience the true love with my partner.
Mhm.
Yes, I do believe in true love.
Awubi jealous nje ukuthi i-partner yakho awuyiboni isikhathi esiningi.
Of course, I'm a human being. Sometimes I become jealous,
Mm.
to say, what if my girlfriend, she's speaking with her exes there? Or maybe there are people, who are approaching me.
Mm.
So that's love. If I'm not jealous of her, that means I don't care about her and I don't love her. So I should be jealous, and which is normal.
Okay.
Yes.
The last part, ungathanda ukudlulisa amazwi athini ku-partner yakho la ikhona?
Anxiety. One thing for sure that you should know is that I will always love you. Distance is nothing when two partners are loyal and they keep their promises, and that's where true love will reveal itself. So I'd love to tell you that wherever you at, just know that your partner loves you and will forever love you. You can trust her.
Sibonge-ke Siphola, uyiphathe kahle lapho girl, uyamuzwa umuntu wakho ukuthi ukuthanda kakhulu. Alright, sibonge-ke babukeli. Ni-subscribe for more of ama-video engisazowabusa amanye ama-candidates, sizwe kabanzi ney'tori zabo zothando, zempilo, zobuthakathi, everything nje mayelana nempilo yomuntu. According to you, if niyithandile le video, ni-subscribe, ni-like, sibonge kakhulu.
Siyabonga babukeli.